This is my sister's 2015 Honda CRV. It is brought to the body shop for some minor repairs. We have a golf ball sized dent in the fender. With some tools, we are trying to flatten the dent as best as we could. After flattening the dent the best we could, we apply a thin layer of Bondo and wait for it to dry. Meanwhile, I get started on prepping the mirror. Going back to the fender, we sand the body with a machine and then by hand. After, we apply a thin layer of filler to fill the pinholes to obtain a nice and even paint job. While the filler is drying, we move to the rear of this car, preparing this bumper for paint.
We start masking off the surrounding areas to avoid any overspray. Then we begin priming. After spraying the first coat to ensure proper coverage, we then wait about 5 to 10 minutes for drying time, following up with a few more coats after. Now we properly measure the correct ratio for the clear coat, 4 to 1 to 1 ratio, which means 4 coats of clear to 1 coat hardener to 1 coat reducer. Before applying clear, we must tack off the panels with a tack cloth, then spray the first coat of clear lightly and the second coat thick. Leaving the clear coat to cure overnight ensures proper curing. It is imperative to not wash the car for a few days after.
Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at Corolla Customs.
If you like my voice, please hit that like button and comment if you want to hear me narrate again. Thank you.